Unsolved. I mean solved.
Zodiac killer case. X marks the spot, or spots. The location of the Zodiac's bomb, according to this code, is the San Francisco International Airport, or some location near it. Don't believe it? Well, keep watching. On November 9th, 1969, the Zodiac sent this 6-page letter with a diagram of a bomb. And so he had this bomb idea on his mind. And one of the pages, the last page, has this Zodiac symbol at the bottom. And then on June 26, 1970, the Zodiac sent this letter and a cipher along with this map. And then on July 26th, he sent another letter, and it contained this PS. The Mount Diablo code concerns radians and inches along the radians. So here's a map, and it's pointing magnetic north. So it's turned about 15 degrees. So we have the x-axis, the horizontal line, like the sun comes up over the horizon. And then we have the y-axis, the vertical line, pointing north, or magnetic north, not true north, like on Google. And then if you look at the top, and you have an arrow pointing a little bit to the left, that is to the location, heading to the location of Lake Berryessa. And then to the left some more, you have Lake Herman Road and the crime scene there. And you have Blue Rock Springs, which is about 4 miles further in that same direction. And then to the left, you have an arrow pointing towards San Francisco. And that is where Paul Stine was murdered. And then you have an arrow pointing to the location of the bomb, which I will get to later. Now, are you ready for this? Ready? Remember the Zodiac circle with the X's? Let's put that on the map now, right on the origin. And look at that. It lines up with each direction of the crimes. Are you ready now to find the location of the bomb? Well, this gentleman named Richard Grinnell, he figured out, or he has a theory, what the cipher means. And so here it is. Estimate 4 radians and 5 inches. So you go in the direction of 4 radians and you go 5 inches. And so fortunately on the map it says 1 inch equals 6.4 miles. And so I times 5 times 6.4 and I get 32 miles. And then I figured out the angle for the radians, and that was about 210 degrees. Now the distance is set, but the radians, you really need a map and a compass to figure out the exact angle. Okay, so I'm on Maps, Google Maps. I'm on Mount Diablo, and then I'm on Distance Calculator. And so here, that is about a 45-degree angle southwest. And so, oh, it's not doing it though. There it is. And then 4.6 miles. And then we need about a 30-degree angle from the x-axis south of it. So we're just going to keep going this direction. I'm going to go 32 miles. You look right over the Oakland airport. And boom, 32. San Francisco International Airport. Well, this ends this episode of Unsolved. And next week, 2 new episodes. One on John Bonet and the other on the Zodiac case. I'm on my way to Mount Diablo. See you next weekend.